Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mendix Widget Workshop. I am Sukhvinder Singh, and today we are going to learn something really useful: how to let your widget take some input from Mendix by adding a property. If you are making your first widget or trying to get better, this is an important step. It helps your widget become more flexible and easier to use. So open your Mendix project and let's get started. So in the last video, we have created a widget called sample text. So in this video, we will add some properties in this widget. So open your Mantis project and click on app and show app directory in Explorer and go to your widgets folder, custom widgets, and this is your widgets. So right click in this folder and show more of open this project in the VS Code. Yes, I trust. So after that, go to source and here we can see sample text.xml. Here in this file we will define all the properties. So you can see here it already defined the properties. Type string. So in this video we will take static inputs. So Mendix provides us five static data type inputs: string, boolean, integer, decimal, and enumeration. So this is string type. So if we create your build, so for creating your build, open your CMD and type npm run build. Okay. First go to your widget folder, sample text. After that run npm run build. Okay. The build is already created. So go to your Mendix modular, summarize a directory and drag and drop your widgets and double click on the widget. Here you can see the first static property. Here you can type Mendix with Sukhdev and click OK and run your project. So click on View App and open Explorer. Here you can see we have given some static input and we can see here in our widgets. So if you want to change, go to sampletext.tsx and here we can see we are giving the input sample text in the hello world components. So go to components folder and open hello world sample.tsx. Here we can see hello text and our input. So here if I remove this, click on save and again npm run build. Build is created. Go to Mendix app, synchronize app directory and again rerun the app. Open Explorer. Here we can see hello is removed. So this is our first static property string. So if we want to take input as a boolean, so copy this property and paste it down here and type should be boolean. And here we can give caption boolean static and also we can add other static properties like integer and two more properties decimal One more property is enumeration. So copy this, paste it here, and type should be enumeration. And here we need to add some static values. So type enumeration values and close tag enumeration values. Between enumeration values, we will define our static values. So enumeration value give key, for I am giving red, and caption should be red, and close tag enumeration value. Copy this line and paste it down there and give another key and give caption, and here we change the caption random attribute. So we have defined all the five properties: string, boolean, and integer, decimal, and enumeration. Now click on save, then npm build command. Go to Mendix, click on app, synchronize app directory. So we got some other property key unit. Okay, we need to change property key of. So here we need to change key for the all boolean attr integer attribute decimal attribute and enumeration attribute. Click on save again, run build command. Go to your Mendix again, synchronize your directory. So we got somewhere again. Boolean attribute must be specified or default value. Okay. So we need to define default value for the Boolean and integer and decimal attribute. So default value default page default value. I'm giving that copy this where 12.0 10 and false responsive again then build command. Go to Mendix synchronize app directory. We got another error must be required. So here we have a required props. So we need to set true. Okay, now save the file and again run npm build command to Mendix, click on app, synchronize app directory, and after whenever we change the XML file, we need to update our widget. So right click on the widget and click on update all widgets. After that, double click on the widget. So here we can see our all the five static properties. First string, second boolean, third integer, fourth decimal, and five enum. So this is how we can add static properties to Mendix. In the next video, we will see how to show the data from the static properties in our widget. And that's it. You have just added your first custom properties to a Mendix widget and learn how to pass static input from Mendix model into your code. If you find this helpful video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode.